Enabling two-factor authentication to FA on Trovo adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Trovo account. Visit the Trovo website and log in using your username and password. Ensure you are accessing your account on a secure device. Step 2. Access account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the security settings, locate the section for two-factor authentication. This may be labeled as 2FA or two-step verification. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code. Common options include using an authentication app like Google Authenticate or receiving codes via SMS. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. If using an authentication app, scan the QR code provided. Enter the verification code sent to you to confirm the setup is successful. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Trovo account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and updated.